Hello and welcome to HTML and CSS for Engineers Udemy course. This beginner's course will guide you through the process of learning and practicing modern website creation with HTML5 and CSS3. My name is Dr. Artur Karczmarczyk and I am a full-stack web developer and software engineer with 16 years of commercial experience. I am also an associate professor at a well-known technical university in Poland and have taught IT and web development skills to hundreds of students. By the time you finish this course, you'll be able to create basic and advanced HTML pages with images, lists, tables, forms, audios and videos. You will know how to create responsive layouts using divs, semantic tags, as well as modern Flexbox and Grid mechanisms, use of cutting-edge CSS and LESS features. In the next hours, I will take you through all the important steps in creating HTML5 web pages. We will start by creating your first Hello World web page in the free code editor that I will show you how to install and configure. Then I will guide you through some basic text formatting. You will learn about acquiring, inserting and positioning images on your pages. I will show you how to legally acquire images and photos for your commercial projects. Then we will dive into the common HTML structures. After that, in section 3, we will introduce CSS and use it to create responsive web design. We will use divs, semantic tags, Flexbox and Grid, always to create a layout that works great on both mobile and desktop devices. We will also introduce LESS, so you can create CSS style sheets easier and more efficient. In the final 3 sections, I will guide you through a capstone project. Inspired by CSS Zen Garden website, we will create an online CV page using semantic HTML and then use CSS to create 2 completely different themes for it. This course is for you if you have some technical skills but are completely new to web development. If you want to know modern, up-to-date HTML5, CSS3 and LESS technologies, use this course to learn them in an agile, hands-on, no-nonsense manner. So, feel free to take a look through the course description and then join me as we create your first HTML5 web pages and solve tens of HTML and CSS challenges together.